Welcome to the 6th floor of the Villas Wing at Portofino Bay Hotel. We've just finished a 5-night stay in Villa 2667, which is a deluxe 2-queen room with club access. So given that we've just finished a 5-night stay, the room is looking a little bit crumpled, but it gives us the opportunity to tell you a little bit about what it was like to actually sleep in. So when you first come through the door, you've got some coffee making facilities. So little coffee brewer, normally 4 pods each day, 1 decaf, 1 green tea and 2 French roast, which as you can see we've had. Obviously there's always the option to text and get some more delivered, with some half and half and sugar and various sweeteners. And in that section there's also an ice bucket as well, with ice machines on each floor. Quite a high mirror above that, just about to see myself in it. And then if we come further in, on the right hand side we've got a wardrobe. So within the wardrobe we have a safe, one of the ones where you set your own 4-digit code, reasonable size. And then also in the wardrobe we've got an iron and an ironing board, and then up the top you can just about see we've got a spare pillow and blankets. And then into the dark we've got some hanging space, and there's somewhere to put your suitcase as well. So on the left is the bathroom, which we'll come back to in a minute, but if we continue into the main part of the room, so we have got 2 queen beds, so US queen, UK king, and then in between those we've got a little table with quite a deep drawer, which is handy in terms of storage for clothes. Alarm clock with USB charging ports, couple of plug sockets, phone with notepad and pen, and then 2 lights with where the mirror is. Over in the corner there's another lamp, so it gives a bit more illumination to the room. And we've got a chair and a footstool, and our 6th floor villa room gave us a wonderful view over the main beach pool. So you can see down there, it's 9:30ish in the morning, so it's only been open half an hour. Very quiet at the moment, just a few people in there taking advantage of the fact that it's nice and sunny today, which it was, to be fair, yesterday as well. And you can see down there we've got the pool bar and grill, there's the hot tub and the slide as well. So turning away from the nice view out the window, we've got the remainder of the bedroom. So we've got a table with 2 chairs and again a lamp with a plug point on it. So the only USB points in this room that we've found are the ones that are on the alarm clock by the bed, but did give some charging options overnight, so that was handy. We've got a bin with a recycling section and a non-recycling section. Never did work out which way round they were supposed to be. TV, and then beneath the TV you've got 2 sets of 3 drawers, and then in the centre, in this cupboard here, there's a fridge, which is empty but is cool, so good for keeping things in. And then a nice gap here for keeping your suitcases in. So I come back towards the entrance and then we'll head into the bathroom. So I'll zoom out a little bit so that we can actually see what's going on in the bathroom. So behind that door, what you definitely don't need to see is the commode, but there is one in there. And then there are twin sinks with some storage space below and plenty of storage space around them. Shaving mirror, and then a very large walk-in shower just there. So provided in the room by way of toiletries, there's shampoo and conditioner and bar soap in the shower. And then on the main counter when we first arrived there was some hand and body wash, which is now in the shower, along with some body lotion, some face bar, soaps, shower cap, tissues. In here we've got a few individually wrapped cotton wool buds and cotton wool pads, and a couple of glasses as well for when you're brushing your teeth. So that was the deluxe 2-queen room at Portofino Bay Hotel. As I said, we were on the 6th floor, so it gave us very, very nice views, very quiet in the corridor outside, but the air conditioning or something similar to that was very loud at night. Don't think it was specifically the one in the room. We think possibly there might be some of the actual system near this room. But very comfortable stay. Do fractionally probably actually prefer the king bedrooms when it's just the two of us, because obviously we don't need the second bed, and also where in the 2 queen room you've got this chair that Colin is currently sitting in. If you've got the king room, then you actually get a much larger chair that's, I don't know if it's meant for 1 or 2, but it definitely seats 2. But hopefully you enjoyed having a look round with us. Always recommend a stay at this particular hotel. I think this is probably the 6th or 7th time we've stayed here now. 15 minutes walk to the theme park, so a little bit further out perhaps than, say, Hard Rock Hotel, but there's always the boat you can get if you want to relax your legs, and it's always nice and quiet. And the free swimming pools as well is always a real bonus. And of course, it's beautiful at night, as demonstrated by this photo. So, as I said, thanks for having a look round with us, and we'll see you soon.